Alrighty guys, so today, didn't plan on filming today, but my buddy Marty, Useful Entertainment, talked us into doing something. Dad actually just got back from cruising the old beast. 68 Hemi Charger we restored. By the way, check out that video series, link right there. Or beast. There. Beast. That's what you used to call the old one. Way better than the stupid ass name you came up with.
Virgil.
That's so dumb. That's so lame. But courtesy of Rob, who sent Dad some Who's Your Daddy fuel fragrance. How do you like that, Dad?
It's definitely there.
Yeah, makes your car smell
pretty
like,
good.
Smells like aftershave.
Aftershave.
But we figured we're gonna go out for a little cruise in Jezebel and Dad's car, get some cool footage for you guys, hopefully. And I think that might be kind of fun. And might do a couple little things, but you never know. We'll see what happens. So stay tuned, guys. Hope you enjoy this one. Definitely smells like aftershave. I'll let her warm up. I'm gonna walk everybody through Jezebel. Oh, Jezebel's got, now she's got battery power. Big old shout out to Rob again. We got 2 of the black belts from our 5-point harnesses installed, so we got seat belts, so we're safe. Safety first.
scared me.
That was kind of sketchy. There was that one burnout I did, and I actually went balls to the wall. I went all 6 barrels instead of just the 2.
Uh-oh.
And I felt like the whole back of the car just boom right underneath me.
Really?
Yeah. You can do a burnout, that's for sure.
Mine wouldn't start.
What?
You gotta let it cool off.
Oh.
You can't just shut it off and turn it back on.
Come on now. Well, everybody's always wanted to see a burnout video with Jezebel. There she is. Driving. Hopefully, Dad, you got us some good footage. So
But I didn't know how to zoom in or nothing.
can't zoom in. It kind of sucks. Well, there we go. Did you guys really think we're gonna leave you hanging? Did you really think so? Because we're not that kind of people. We got a Hemi Charger there that's never done a burnout in its life, and we're about to pop that red cherry right now. Smells like daggone aftershave. I don't think that was a brake stand. I think Dad just gunned it. That car sounds freaking mean. I don't know which one sounds better. In the comments below, who's got the better sounding car? Me with Jezebel or Dad with what I like to call the beast he calls Virgil? The red 68 RT we restored, or my old Ratty blue pig? We know who makes more horsepower, but who looks better doing it? Making noise. Let me know. What?
You got a little swirly up there in my front end. I don't know.
Yeah, they all do that. Well, head on home. I'm gonna get a video of you going, woo! And there she goes, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, I'm going to try and hopefully get Jezebel to start up so I can get the hell home. As always, if you enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe, do all that fun jazz. And we hope to see you guys in the next one, because we got plenty more fun, funky, cool projects coming along. Like finishing out Jezebel. We got some more things to do to Dad's car. So, as always, guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you the next time. Bye-bye.